Hello guys, this is the mnemonic. Let me introduce my channel first of all. The mnemonic. Mnemonics is a science of memory. हिंदी में इसे कहते हैं स्मृति विज्ञान. Where we can make some sentences or some words to to learn some things in an easy way. And these sentences and these words may or may not be related to the subject or to the thing that we are studying. So, let us begin our journey with our first video, which is one of the basic concepts in the molecular genetics, the genetic code. So what is a genetic code? A genetic code is generally a triplet sequence of nucleotides on a DNA or on a messenger RNA molecule. This sequence of nucleotides is also known as a codon. That means like AUG, UUU, UUC, AGG, and so on, different sequences. The genetic code has several properties, but two of the most confusing properties of the genetic code that I think students have confusion in are these two. First, the unambiguous nature of the code and the degeneracy of the code. If I will literally translate these words in Hindi, unambiguous का अर्थ हिंदी में होता है स्पष्टता. अब कोड की स्पष्टता से हम क्या समझते हैं? Okay, a code is said to be unambiguous because one codon specifies one amino acid. For example, if I take UUU as a codon, it specifies an amino acid phenylalanine. अर्थात UUU जो codon है, this codon will only make or only specify phenylalanine. It cannot specify methionine, it cannot specify tryptophan, it only and only specifies phenylalanine. Similarly, AUG specifies methionine and AGG specifies tryptophan. Fun fact, there is a fact here that AUG and UGG are the two codons for methionine and tryptophan, and these two has no other synonymous codons. Now, what are these synonymous codons? We will learn about them in our next section when we talk about the degeneracy. The degeneracy of the code. If I will again literally translate this word degeneracy, it means हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है भ्रष्ट. Bhrasht means don't take it literal, but you can understand by learning the Hindi translation of these words. Degeneracy means bhrasht. That means एक amino acid, that means one amino acid is specified or can be specified by more than one codon. For example, UGU codes for cysteine. This is one codon that codes for cysteine. But cysteine can be coded by UGC. It can be coded by UGC. That means there are two synonymous codons. That can code for cysteine. And similarly, there is another example. There are four codons or synonymous codons that can code for glycine. So in order to summarize the whole concept or whole the things that we have studied or that we have discussed is that genetic code is a triplet of nucleotides, whether present on DNA or mRNA. They are called codon. There are several properties of genetic code. Two of them are most confusing ones. First, unambiguous nature of the code, and second, the degeneracy of the code. Can be understood by taking the literal Hindi meanings. Like unambiguous means स्पष्टता. स्पष्टता का अर्थ एक codon एक ही amino acid को specify करेगा. For example, UUU specifies phenylalanine. It will not specify any other amino acid. Second thing, the degeneracy. That is defined as one amino acid can be specified by more than one codon. For example, cysteine can be coded from UGU and UGC, and there are four codons that can code for glycine alone. And these codons that can code for a single amino acid are known as the synonymous codons. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe my channel for more.